This week, we have a very important customer.
No, Dad, I got this.
See?
Let me take it from here.
See, I told you.
Let me take it from
Very
here.
important.
Very important.
VIP.
All right, so this week, we're gonna be working on my car, which is a Tesla Model 3. Has a wrap on it right now. Looks pretty decent, but it can definitely be taken to the next level. A while ago, we did a render for me for a Tesla Model 3 wide body. It looked pretty good, but we ended up doing it for Justin Con. Now we're gonna revisit that idea and see where we can kind of spice it up a little bit. So now it's time to sit with Musa, figure out the rendering, and see what we could come up with. What's up, Moose?
What up, man?
How you doing, dog?
How's it going? So
today I was thinking about it, and I think it's finally time to put the wide body kit on the Tesla.
Finally?
Yeah.
After like what?
I know we've been talking like 5-6 months. We've been busy putting it off, but today I think is the day. I had a good conversation with my dad. And he was like, let's do it, you know? So can we see the rendering that we did then a few months back, I guess, for the Tesla?
Yeah,
oh,
this
nice.
This one. So we did a front end update, fender flares, front and back, and the rear diffuser.
Yeah, that looks nice. Is that the satin chrome blue?
Yeah, this is satin
nice.
chrome.
I want to keep it the purple though, I think that I have now. So
not many people rock that purple, huh?
Yeah, they don't.
Pretty cool.
That's a nice color. And then I was just like, it looks so flat, right? The fenders, like I think we need to have it complement the original shape. Yeah, the lines, and then also like, maybe we just need to add some more flare so it kind of
maybe go a little wider. This is not too wide right here.
Yeah, it looks so
if you go a little wider, it's okay.
And then take out the, how do you feel about the mesh?
No, let's take it out.
Take out the mesh?
Yeah, because there's nothing back there.
I like that front lip though.
Yeah, the front lip is cool. How about the side skirt? We have no side skirt here.
Yeah,
so
side skirt.
Add a side skirt?
Yeah, that's a good point.
The rear flare is cool, right?
I like the rear flare.
Okay. Rear diffuser, like usual.
Yeah, rear diffuser. Yeah, wing
flip.
would be cool, yeah.
Yeah, and we're gonna finally bag your car this time?
Yeah, I think we do. Just so it gets that stance, right? There's no way to get that stance any other way besides airbags.
Yeah. I'll get cooking and then I'll present something to you in a couple days.
Okay, perfect, Doc. Thank you.
Cool.
Appreciate it.
Caught up in these talks, circling my head talk. Should have been more cautious. Now I got what I wanted. Many have been here before. Made it out of 11 more. Like my frontal cortex, so I can't stop. I want it all. Listen up, I'm calling you. I need you to tell the truth. Remember when you wanted to. Remember that I said my truth.
So the render's done, the body kit's in. Now we have to get my car into the shop and get it fitted on the car.
Detrás de mí tenemos un Tesla Model 3. En este proyecto vamos a instalar lo que es un Widebody kit. El carro se va a ver muy ancho. Vamos a instalar lo que son los rines y la suspensión. Tenemos la caja, listo. Déjame enseñarles cómo se ve.
So a few months ago, we wrapped my Tesla Model 3 in a nice Inositech purple, but we didn't feel like it was all the way complete. So now we have a wide body kit that just came in and we're working on getting it installed. We have a new set of wheels that we're gonna put on to kind of better fit the new stance that we're going for. And then we also have an airbag suspension that we're also going to put on. So it's gonna be a pretty crazy build. Stay tuned because you don't wanna miss this.
Ya que ahora está instalado el body kit en el Tesla Model 3, ya está alineado todo, ahora vamos a encargarnos de removerlos en el carro para empezar a hacer wrapping cada pieza.
Since we're doing Ryan Jr.'s car, it's only fair that we do Dylan's. So we're gonna turn his Tesla Model Y into an ultimate Overlander. Since he's into the outdoors, he's been camping, he's really been spending a lot of time up in Big Bear, I figured we might as well lift it up, put a tent on the roof, and really make it cool.
So the body kit is fitted. Now it's time to get the airbags installed and get everything finished up.
Ryan's car is turning out amazing. They're putting on the wheels now. Really, the next step is clean it up, put some System X on it, and show it to Ryan. What do you think?
Wow. That's like night and day difference.
Yeah, seeing the kit, I think, from a picture and then seeing it on the car. And I know when we did that one we did for Justin,
Yeah.
it wasn't the complete kit.
Right.
Like this is like the wing,
Yep.
the rear, like it's got everything.
Oh, it feels-
and having it one color, it looks way better.
OEM plus.
Yeah.
Yeah. I love it so much. Did they rewrap it too?
No, actually, we had Ara do the System X coating on it.
Oh.
Because we never really have coated a wrap. This wrap is obviously new.
Yeah.
But this is your old wrap. And the wheel fitment, the
Yeah.
tire fitment.
No, I love the new wheels. I'm glad we stuck with the same colorway too, because I was feeling like if we went black, it would have been too dull, you know?
Yeah.
And that kind of adds that extra pop with the brake calipers that I felt like we were kind of looking for.
The guys put the air ride on it so you can actually raise it up and drive at
really?
a good height. Yeah.
Let's take it for a drive then.